Hello, in front of me I've got FOTON V9. In this video I'll show you how to manage automatic gearbox. In the beginning, take a look in the center of the car. Right here we've got the gearbox shifter. As you can see on the top of the gearbox, we've got parking button and indicators, reverse, neutral, drive, manual. From parking to reverse, push the gearbox downwards. Push it again downwards to select neutral and drive manual. From drive manual to select neutral, push it upwards, and same for reverse. If you want to use the gearbox shifter manually, set to drive mode and push it again to set manual mode. You can see manual mode here. Now you can change gears manually by pressing plus and minus paddle behind the steering wheel. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.